Forgive them, Father, for they have sinned.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a box of Goth unboxing. This theme is Oddities, which I'm really excited for. If you are interested in getting yourself a box of Goth, then I do have a discount code which will get you 10% off. It is Batbones. I'll put it on the screen for you now. So without further ado, let's get this box open. Ooh. I'm going to get this everywhere. Right, so looks a bit messy, but don't worry about that. So the first thing I see is some feathers. Ooh. Oh. So there's some cute little feathers here. I don't know what they're from though. It's a nice little touch. Just going to grab this. Hopefully it's not the list of contents. Oh. So it's a little print of someone's artwork of some bags. So normally you always get a print, but this is cute. Book scorpion, jewel scarab beetle, blue horned beetle, death head of course, sapphire blue dragonfly, black widow, and hollow winged darter. I don't know, it's quite creepy, that one. The next thing. Oh, okay, so there's a little sticker that says fragile. Oh. It's a starfish. And on the back is where you can see its little details. That's really cute. Aww. That's cute. So I'm just going to go for this print as well. Oh! Is that a sticker? Oh my god, it's a sticker. And it's bats. Oh, where am I going to put it? Oh. Oh, where would I put it? That's adorable. Oh my god. So it's a cute little skelly maid. And it like wiggles, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The next, it's chosen for me. It is, oh my god. They're a pair of earrings. If I can get it open. Their teeth. Oh, I really want a tooth tattoo. I'm not very good at this. I'm so sorry. I'll go for this little cube. Oh, okay. Wow. So it's a shark tooth. And it's a big one as well. God, it's quite heavy. Is it real? It's got to be real, surely. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like it's got blood all over it, which is a bit creepy. Don't know if you can see that in the camera, but right, I'm just gonna quickly read this. Let's pop that back on. So is in, I've got two here. Right, let's put that back for a minute. So this is in bubble wrap. Oh my god, what is this? I saw a skeleton or something. Please be careful when opening glass. May have broken in transit. Please open vial and remove cotton ball if you have one inside. Oh, it's a bone specimen. Oh, some of the ribs are broken. So I've got a rib cage of some sort. How cute is that? Oh, I'm a bit gutted that some of the ribs have broken off. So it's either a bird, rabbit, rat, mouse, or fish. I have no idea what that could be from. So if you think that you may know what that is from, then do let me know in the comments. Oh, that's so cute. A little rib cage. So let's open this little green thing. Oh, it's the badge. So it's a two-faced woman. I'm assuming it's meant to be Siamese. That's cute. Next item. So I think this is another necklace. That is so pretty. So pretty. I think it's meant to be like a snake's eye and some scales. That is so pretty. If I can, what am I doing? That's so pretty. So let's get this bit of card out that I've noticed. Freaks. That's cool. And I love the fact that I have tattoos. It's like at Jurassic Park when you get the bugs in amber. I don't know what bug that is. That's quite creepy from the... It's a bit weird. That's really cool. Poor little guy. Don't worry, you get looked after now. So that is everything in this box. It is so cool. I absolutely love this box so much. So the Freaks illustration is by Original Tattooed Parents Club. Got the starfish, the mystical creature eye bezel. Oh, okay. And that's by Ramen Pluja. I'm so sorry if I've pronounced that wrong. I'll put that in now. The beetle in resin, the shark tooth fossil, teeth earrings, Siamese love enamel pin. Insects illustration by Savitar. I'll also put that name up now. The mermaid skeleton necklace, the bone specimen vial, and sub box extra is the Bats of Chupacabra vinyl sticker. Oh my god, I love this so much. Oh, well, that was a great box. I'd definitely get on that website and purchase yourself one, because these are random, so you don't know what you're going to get. But if anyone does recognise what this could be from, then do let me know. So thank you for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.